just sit and create a bulk of content so that you don't have to constantly worry about creating content every single day. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, most of all the notification bell, so you can stay up to date with what's happening here on this channel. Today, I want to talk about planning your content. This is something that I kind of tapped into in a previous video, and I want you guys to really focus in on this video, right? So when you are planning your content, what I mean by that is, like, literally before you make content, I want you to lay out your clothes. I want you to plan, literally list out everything that you're going to talk about. Even just like create small scripts for the videos that you're going to create, so you can make the whole process as smooth as possible. I do this oftentimes with recording artists and different business owners that I work with to help them like make content consistently on social media. And that's the goal. The goal for this, like, planning your content and like having these content days and like content directing and all this type of stuff, is for you to simply have consistency in your content days. So you're not just like stopping and like, you know, now you having to brainstorm everything. No, you have everything already planned out, documented, everything laid out, colorized, like all the things, verbalized, you know what I'm saying? And so what I love about content days, it's an opportunity for you to just sit and create a bulk of content so that you don't have to constantly worry about creating content every single day. Most people can do it, you know, the grace and peace is upon them, but oftentimes most people need to just plan and bulk up on content, then just post it out and schedule it. So I'm a huge believer of both. I'm a little bit of a scheduler myself, but for these videos, I make them pretty frequently. But when I do create videos, sometimes I do have my clients and stuff like bring extra clothing and let them know, like, hey, we're going to be covering like 20 videos today. Here are some script ideas. Here are some context ideas of like what we're going to be talking about. And literally during these content days, it allows it to flow very fast because we already have everything planned out. And because those scripts are established, it allows the time to honestly just like fly by, because there's no like stumbling. There's no like, okay, I don't know what to say here and I don't know what to say there or whatever. But because those scripts are already like laid out and it's like mapped out and all those types of things, it allows people to feel more comfortable with having content days and just knocking out a bunch of content in a couple of hours. And so in this example, I want to show you guys like literally what you can do when it comes to like just planning your content. So it either can look like a chart, either can look like, you know, bullet points, or whatever it looks like for you. This is just an example, but what I want you all to see is just the simple display and the simple just like functionality of what you can do when planning your content days or your content hours or whatever you are doing to, you know, build that bulk of content, right? And so I want you all to simply just make a list, right? Like a grocery list, but this is for content. What are you going to talk about? And then from there, what are the scripts? What are the videos? What are the photos? What outfits need to go along with it? How long does the videos need to be? Is this for Instagram? Does it need to be vertical or horizontal? Like, this is all the things that you can get organized in a document. I'm a huge believer in using Google Docs, because it allows like me to send the link to everybody instead of like a Word document to where I would have to like do a PDF or send a Word document itself to everybody in emails. No, you can get this link, send the text, very easy, and everybody can get it. And that's how we all just stay on top of making content consistently on social media. So let me know if this helps out, and if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments, because I'll definitely you know, answer any questions that you have. But most of all, I want you all to get used to making content consistently for your social audience, for your community all around the world, because it's very important to reach people so that you can share your story, your brand, your business, anything that you have to offer just online. Like, let's get outside of the box, but let's also plan before we get outside of the box. All right, so I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.